River adventures await. Join us on a fast-paced 6-minute journey down the Fraser River, where bears fish, eagles soar, and salmon swim upstream like superheroes, with fun facts, cool nature scenes, and just a splash of wild magic. This mini-adventure will make you fall in love with Canada's coolest river. Need an escape? Let the Fraser River carry you away through misty mountains, towering forests, and golden valleys. This 6-minute visual getaway is your scenic shortcut to the heart of British Columbia, no suitcase required. Where nature and nation meet, in just 6 minutes, uncover how the Fraser River has powered industries, preserved cultures, and endured time. Archival clips meet stunning new footage in this short-form documentary that flows as deep as the river itself. Let your senses drift along British Columbia's mighty Fraser River. In 6 tranquil minutes, witness bald eagles circling above towering cedars, salmon weaving ancient roots, and sunlight dancing on jade waters. This is more than scenery. It's the beating heart of a thriving ecosystem. Follow the call of the wild as the Fraser River winds through timeless landscapes. Roaring waterfalls, moss-covered canyons, and lush riverbanks come alive in this meditative visual journey. A love letter to the raw, untamed beauty of the Pacific Northwest. Step into a realm where the river speaks in ripples and the forest listens in silence. This 6-minute voyage reveals the quiet magic of the Fraser. Drifting mist, verdant cliffs, and creatures great and small sharing one majestic sanctuary. A must-watch for the wild at heart. Hope you enjoyed this video and likes it. Don't hesitate to press thumbs up and subscribe button. Touch bell icon to receive notification on our new videos. Till next video, goodbye.